guys, welcome to a new video. Let's see how far I can make it in BoxXX. So, I already grinded a lot without making videos because I didn't know how to use this website. Didn't know really anything about it. So yep, just making a video. I'm probably gonna use like I don't know what title I'm gonna use. Probably just playing alone. Mostly just I'm not really planning it. There are people in this. Wait. I don't. Wait, who even is in the VC? Ooh, that was kind of nice. Wait, how was I flying without the elytra? Uh, yeah. I can't speak. Why the hell am I speaking like a rap god or something? uh, no. Daniel MC plays. Oh man. What the hell? What the hell do you want? I'm probably gonna make a bridge video too. Right after this one. Okay. I don't think that was a good mindset. I had full netherite.
He instantly died.
What?
Where is it? What armor did he have?
He had a leather chest plate. That's the only thing he had. Oh shit. Maddie is super good. Oh hell nah. Oh hell nah. I'm saying his name like I already know him for like 3 years, but I actually I just looked at his user. Thanks for not actually killing me. Hell nah, I knew that was gonna happen. I did like a test hit, he already... Wait, Maddie is hacking. Maddie's hacking, what? He's hacking.
How are they hacking?
He has kill aura. And
So beat.
Crit. He has crit too. That's bad.
Definitely does. Said no, weird.
If Maddie just starts killing me for some reason. Sure. Yeah. I can screen share. Wait. They're in the VC? Wait, wait. No.
You know you can VC with two. Doesn't matter.
Yeah, I know, like your group chat, but not group. That's what you mean?
No, you can video call people. Or, well,
Oh,
no,
yeah.
you can call
Thanks,
someone.
Watermelon. I absolutely forgot every time I turn PvP on. I forget to turn it off. Thank you so much, Melon.
What, he try killing you?
No, she just sent me a message that I can do slash PvP off. I always forget about that.
I like it on, but there's someone better than me, which is not really that much of the time. There's only like one person.
Why do you speak like you're like in the 1890s?
How?
I don't know. That's what I'm asking you.
How do you speak in the 1890s?
Yeah, that's literally your accent.
British, that's why. I'm British. When I
Yeah, I'm
bought the
also
water,
British, but I don't sound like you.
so people don't sound the same. I have a Scottish accent too.
Scottish? What? What even is Scottish?
The fuck are you on about? A place in
Europe or
Europe.
what?
No,
Or what? Place in Europe or in New Jersey? Wait, New Jersey is a country, right?
what you think?
Mm, I think this video is gonna be titled "Getting Grinder Rank in Box Xbox," and just put in like uh, come BC with me when I stream. When I figure out how to fucking stream. Like, that's. I need to learn that. Like, I just have to learn
Who
that.
reads descriptions on videos? I don't.
Uh, for a texture pack, I do. Only for texture
Who
packs.
tell you to? Says, download this stuff and all that bullshit. You check the comments first.
Because if I, like, search up blah 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 the texture pack, then it just comes up, like, I search up Nico Fruit, uh, remix, and it's just normal Nico Fruit. Like, it just. I want the remix version. It's better, but I can't install it because every time I search it up, it doesn't search it up. Just quit using Google and use Opera GX, because Opera GX literally searches on Google. Opera is just a gaming fucking browser thing. Maddie, don't act. He's not in the fucking BC. I don't fucking care. Like a motherfucking bitch. No, 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 no. I don't wanna die yet. I forgot I don't have PP on. Who the fuck left?
That's just me and you. They're left.
Oh, okay. The title was just gonna be getting getting grinder rank and box XX. Or I'll just make 2 parts because I'm very tired of box XX right now. I'll keep on like, or maybe I will get the people who have Discord during this one. They only. What do you mean they only me? That means no sense. I'm like, yeah, buddy, kill me.
There, you like that? They are.
What the hell did you just say?
I mean, people who have Discord join voice one, there is me and left here.
I am so fucking tired, but I want to get fucking grinder rank. I'm
What time is it for you?
a perfect. It's 19:1.
It says
7 p.m.
18 for me. Obviously it's not 18, because that's not a time.
It's 7 p.m. for me.
It is in a 24-hour clock. It is 6 for me.
Dude, I hate explaining the story, like where I was born and where I live. Because everyone in school just keeps asking me, like, why do you live in Poland? Why were you born in England? Like, how am I supposed to answer that? Like, I just say, me and my brother were born in UK, and my mother and dad just were born in Poland, so we gotta move to Poland. Because that's where their parents are, my granddad's and grandma's.
Have you ever been to London since
What?
you've been in the UK?
What?
London, a place.
I don't remember me being in London.
Have you
Yeah,
ever been?
yeah, I was in London, like for 1 day.
I've only been to London once, and that was for school. So.
Yay, only
I had to sleep in the
couple
same
more
room with this
stacks of
fucking
beacons. Oh my
pedophile.
god. I am so tired of getting beacons. I'm just sitting here getting beacons for 2 hours straight. Like, what the fuck? Yeah, I'm ending the video right here.